Hi Teen Summer Readers! If you have been wondering why there was just a bunch of rope in your June summer reading packet, you're about to find out why. I hope everyone is enjoying their Teen Summer Reading Challenge, and remember to pick up your July summer reading packet next week. It's going to have a lot more fun crafts, including making clay charms of animals, collage, and origami. So I'm really excited to show you how to make those, but first we are going to make a dog toy with the rope from your June summer reading packet. Let's get started. You're going to need a water bottle from home and some strong scissors. First, take the label off the water bottle. Once you're done with that, we are going to put this rope through the bottle. So cut a hole in the bottom of your water bottle. Could be a little tough, but just be careful. And then cut a ring. Don't make it too big, but a ring around the bottom of the bottle, big enough for the rope to go through. Then take off that little extra piece of plastic that could choke your dog. You might be able to fit the rope through the top of the bottle, but I was not able to, so I'm going to cut another small hole at the top of the bottle so that the rope can feed all the way through. With this step, you want to make sure that there are no little splinters of plastic that your dog could maybe chew on and then get stuck in their mouth. So I'm just making sure that it's a very clean cut here at the top. By cutting off any little extra snaggly pieces of plastic, and then make sure they're all out of the bottle as well, and then put the rope through. And now you're just going to tie some knots so that the bottle stays in place. So first I tie an extra knot at the bottom, and I'm going to keep the one that was already on my rope there, and that makes a nice little handle for tug of war. And then tie another knot at the top. Make sure they're very tight. Then I'm just going to take off the duct tape from the rope, because again, that could be something the dog may chew on and accidentally swallow. Now I have a dog toy. You just have to clean up, and the last step is to give it to your favorite dog.